Hello. This is another series in learning about our online dictionary that we must abide by, according to the law, and it is in the amendments. And for you to access the dictionary, you will need to go to Google and type in Marshallese English Dictionary. So go ahead and do that. Look for Marshallese English Dictionary. And then you will click and scroll down and click on the Marshallese English Dictionary that says trussell2.com, okay? And once you click it, it will take you to the online dictionary that the law has told us to follow. So let's go to the home page, okay? Well, this is our dictionary that the law has told us to abide by, according to the amendments and the Constitution. And the MOD, or they call it the Marshallese English Dictionary, this is the one that everyone uses, according to the amendments, and we call it Marshallese English Dictionary. The newest version that was put out in 2010, Certified Standard Spelling Act in 2010, that is under the Title 39, Chapter 1, Section 107B, and it says as follows: all speaking and writing on paper should be in Marshallese first and in English second, as we follow the correct spelling in the MOD or our online dictionary according to the law. End quote. In the online dictionary, there are ways to use it. However, there are some ways, and first you will want to go to the home page, okay? As we're here at the home page, and for example, you'll want to click on a Marshallese letter. Let's say A, okay? The letter A. So we'll go ahead and click on the letter A from the alphabet, in the Marshallese alphabet. And watch what happens when you click on that. Okay? What'll happen is the words or head words will show up, okay? And they explain the examples or samples, right? So a way that you can find words in a fast and efficient way is for you to touch these keys, Control plus F. Control plus F. So once you hit the buttons Control plus F, look up in the top right hand corner, okay? You'll see a place for you to look for all the words that start with A, right there, okay? And you'll click in that box, and let's say you're looking for the word apple, right? Marshallese spelling for apple. As you know, and as I know, and I will pronounce this in the English alphabet, the spelling of apple is A-B-O-L, or A-B-O-L, okay? Now that I have said apple, apple, it will take me to where the words are that start with these letters. In English, we say A-B-O-L, or in Marshallese, it will be A-B-O-L. So when I type that word in, it's going to take me to all the words that start with that, okay? Watch as I type it in. See? So now it's going to pop up everything that starts with that. And there's the word right there. It's highlighted in orange. There's two meanings for it, for apple. There is apple 1 and apple 2, and it shows the English words as well, the English portions. And there are just some examples regarding the word apple, or apple, apple. And this is so that you will know how to find many words very quickly as you search through the online dictionary. If you say that, let's say you will go to the letter B, B as in boy, right? Let's say that you want to go check that out. Again, remember, you're going to go to your little box. You're going to click Control plus F, okay? And you're going to look for the letter B. Now, before you do Control plus F, you're going to have to go click on the letter B, the actual letter B up there at the top. Now you can hit Control plus F, and the little box pops up. And let's say you're looking for the word for crab. In Marshallese, it's baru, B-A-R-U, or in the Marshallese alphabet, they'd be saying B-A-R-U. And it's going to take you to the spelling of baru. See? All of the words that start with those letters. And you're going to see many, many spellings for the word baru, or crab. You'll see it there. And this is basically how you use the Marshallese online dictionary. As we are following the spelling, which is according to the law, we also need to use the CLLC keyboard, or the Customary Law and Language Commission keyboard. And look at the correct spelling and the right spelling. See the spelling that is in the dictionary under the law, as they call it, the online dictionary that you and I just looked at right now, okay? If you don't use this way, you can always reach out to the email cllc@cmi.edu so that you can get more understanding apart from the information that I shared with you. Well, this is just a little bit of information about our online dictionary that our law says that we must use. That's all.